Assalamu alaikum class. Hope you all are doing well. Today it's our second lecture and we started chapter 1, living and non-living things in our previous class. And today we are going to discuss the next exercise pages. And we discussed living and non-living things, that living things eat food, living things grow, living things can move from one place to another place, and living things breathe, living things have young ones or babies, or living things can also feed. Animals, plants, and human beings all are living things. Okay, so plants are also living things. They grow from a seed to a big plant and then a big tree, and they also feel the leaves of touch me not plants droop when you touch them. Okay, and the sunflower also turns its face toward the sun. They also make their own food. They also use air, they also use water, they also use sunlight and soil to grow well. Okay, and then non-living things. We categorize non-living things into two sections, into two groups. First are natural things and the second are man-made things. Natural things are all the mountains, clouds, moon, stars, water, stone. They are natural things. They are made by God. And the non-living things, man-made non-living things, are those things which are made by man. For example, the toys, the books, the table chair, wooden door, they all are non-living things, man-made non-living things. Okay, then we also discussed in our previous class about this picture. You have to color the living things only, and then now we have to start our exercise 1 on page number 5. So let's start doing it. Exercise A is fill in the blanks with the correct option. Number 1 is dash are living things. So the two options are given here and you have to select the circle the correct option, or you can write it in the blank. Okay, so animals or stones, who are living things? Yes, animals are living things. So you have to write these animal word here. Animals, start writing with the capital A. Okay, number 2, living things eat dash. Living things eat stones or food. Yes, living things eat food. So write FOOD, food here. This option, write this option here in the blank. Okay, number 3 statement is plants dash move on their own. Plants cannot move on their own, or they can move on their own. So you have to write here cannot. Plants cannot move on their own. They cannot move from one place to another place. Okay, so you have to write cannot. Number 4 statement is a dash is a natural non-living thing. A star or a car. Who is a natural non-living thing? Yes, a star. So write here a STAR, star. Number 5 statement is water and moon are dash things. These are man-made things. Man has made it, or these are natural things. Water and moon are natural things. So write this option here, NATURAL, natural things. Number 6, a dash is a man-made thing. A mountain is a man-made thing, or a bus is a man-made thing? Yes, a bus is a man-made thing. So write BUS, bus here. So the first answer is animals. The second answer is food. Number 3rd answer, blank, in the blank you have to write cannot. Number 4, you have to write star. Number 5, you have to write natural. And number 6, you have to write bus. Okay. Next, exercise B is of true false. State whether the following sentences are true or false. Number 1, so you have to write T or F here in these blanks. Number 1, a plant is a living thing. Yes, it's true. So write T here. Number 2, a lion is a living thing. Yes, it is true. So write T here. Number 3, a fish does not need food. It's a false statement. So write F here. For number 3, write F. Number 4, a cat cannot move from one place to another. It's a false statement, so write F here. Number 5, a stone can breathe. It's a false statement because a stone cannot breathe. So write F here for statement number 5. Number 6, your pet dog can feel. Yes, it's a true statement because your pet dog can really feel. Okay, number 6, it's a true statement. Number 7, a river is made by man. It's a false statement, so write F here. And number 8, a house is a man-made thing. A house is a man-made thing. Yes, it is a true statement, so write T for number 8 statement. Okay, and the next exercise C is pick the correct picture. Number 1 is, which one is a living thing here? A bus, a ship, or a lion? Yes, you have to circle the lion or tick a big tick on the lion or near the lion. Okay, where you can see you are clear that this is a lion, this is a living thing. You have to tick it here. Do not tick here or do not tick here, because in this way that will be closer to the ship or to the bus, so you cannot differentiate that which one is a living thing. Or you can circle the lion. Okay, number 2, which one can grow on its own? Which? The computer, the balloon, or the elephant? Yes, tick the elephant or circle the elephant. An elephant can grow on its own. And exercise C is on page number 6. This is statement number 3. Which one can feel? A computer, a table, or a dog? Which one can feel? So you have to tick near the dog or you can circle the dog. A dog can feel. Number 4, which one can have babies? Okay, the cat, a shoe, or a fan? Which one can have babies? Yes, obviously a cat. So circle the cat. Number 5, which one is a natural known living thing? Natural known living thing. Natural means that is made by God. So a stone or a rock is a natural known living thing. You have to tick here or circle here. This is a doll. This is a man-made thing. Which one is a man-made known living thing? So the man-made known living thing, the man-made known living thing here is a book. So you have to circle the book or so you have to circle the book. Okay, circle this book. Okay, G, next. This is exercise D. Answer these questions in short. Okay, so question number 1 here is, what will happen to living things if there is no air? So the answer is, you have to write the answer here. These are the short answers. So you have to start writing with a capital letter. What will happen to living things if there is no air? So the answer is, they will die. C capital THEY, they, WILL, will, DIE, die, full stop, they will die. Okay, number 2 question is, what do you feel when a mosquito bites you? And the answer is we feel itchy. W capital, W-E-V-F-E-E-L, feel, I-T-C-H-Y, itchy, full stop. We feel itchy. Number 3, a car moves on a road, but why is it not a living thing? A car moves on a road, but why is it not a living thing? Because a car cannot move on it on, or you can write because the driver drives it. Okay, because the car cannot move on its own, a driver drives it. So you can write the driver drives it, or you can write the car cannot move on its own. Okay, next question number 4 is, are clouds in the sky a man-made thing? Are clouds in the sky a man-made thing? So you have to write no, N capital N-O, no, comma, they are natural thing. They are natural thing. Sorry. No, comma, T-H-E-Y, they are, A-R-E-R, N-A-T-U-R-A-L, natural thing. Number 5, last question is, what type of things are the tables and chairs in your classroom? And your answer is, they are man-made non-living things. They are T capital T-H-E-Y, they A-R-E-R, M-A-N, man, hyphen, M-A-D-E, man-made, N-O-N, non, L-I-V-I-N-G, living, T-H-I-N-G-S, things, full stop. The table and chair are man-made, non-living things. Okay? So, I'm repeating the question. Number 1 is, the answer is, they will die, full stop. Number 2, we feel itchy. And number 3, our driver drives the car, or a car cannot move on its own. Number 4, no, they are natural things. And number 5, they are man-made non-living things. Okay, moving on to the next page. Last page of this chapter. This is page number 7, and this is the task. And the task is, let's read the question. Put the living and non-living things into their correct corners by drawing lines. One has been done for you. Okay, so you can see that one has been done for you. This is the example, pen, and pen is a non-living thing. So what is water? So you have to use your color pencil to draw the line. Water is a non-living thing. So draw the line from water toward this corner. Okay, rat. Rat is obviously a living thing, so draw rat's line towards the living thing. Grass. Grass is a living thing, so draw a line towards the living corner. Cup. Cup is a non-living thing, so draw the line towards the non-living corner. Snake. Snake is a living thing. Snake is an animal, so it's a living thing. So draw the line from snake towards this living corner. Okay. Coin. Coin is a non-living thing. So draw the line starting from the coin towards this non-living corner. And the last is cloud. Cloud is a non-living thing, natural non-living thing. So draw the line starting it from the cloud towards the non-living corner. Okay. So this is it we have done today in our class. We have discussed the exercises on page number 5, 6, and 7. We have done exercise 1, exercise A, fill in the blanks. Exercise B, you have to mark true or false in that exercise. Exercise C, you have to tick or circle the picture, correct picture. And exercise D was answer the question in a short way. Okay, and then on page number 7, there was a task that we have done. You have to just draw the lines towards the living thing or towards the non-living corner. Okay, so this is it. I hope you have understood, and until next time, take care and have a good day. Allah Hafiz.